Check it out, guys. This is some of the equipment that we wash. We got a blade out there, got a water truck, loader, dump truck, dozer, excavator, a couple more loaders. Over here we got some compactors. This is some massive equipment. I'm out at a landfill, and this is the equipment they use to bury all of our trash. You know, earth moving equipment, whether it be just construction or, you know, general purpose equipment use. It's a good idea to keep it clean. You know, we come through and keep all the grease points cleaned up. You keep looking good. When you spend 6 figures on equipment, you don't want to just let it get ran to the dirt. It doesn't matter if it's new or old. As you see, this is a lot older piece of equipment, although they take care of it, you know. So just a little food for thought. Some people say whoever's on the water truck is who washes our equipment. Well, we're out here washing water trucks too, so plenty of work out there, guys. Get out there, stay hungry, get out there, talk to people, network, do what you got to do to get your name out there. Doesn't matter if you're just getting into the industry or you've been in it for a while. The money's easy, the hustle's hard. You guys get up, go out, do something every day. You can make money in this industry, no problem. But it's easy to not show up. It's easier to take the path of least resistance. We still got to hit this equipment over here, but just want to give you guys a glimpse as to how massive this compactor is. This is the baby one. Look at this big guy. We got another dozer over here we gotta wash. Look at the stack on this guy.